Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Solution. Today we will discuss the most important topic, which is hybridization. Definitely some question will come in this topic in the Neet exam. If you will do uh, the right attention to the video, then you will gain the good marks. So starting with the hybridization, what is hybridization? We can say it is the just the mixing of orbitals. It is just the mixing of orbitals, atomic orbitals to form molecular orbitals. So next, coming to the trick, we will have to find the number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs. So number of valence electron, number of valence electrons, you have to take this in the division part and you have to divide with 8. Okay, so the upper part will be the quotient. Okay, upper part will be the whatever will become, that will be the quotient, and whatever come in the below is remainder. Clear? Quotient will be number of bond pairs. Okay, and the remainder will be divided by 2 will be the lone pair. Okay, so how will be hybridization will find? Hybridization will be bond pair plus lone pair. Clear? So let's start. Next, we have to say that if hybridization will come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, hybridization will be sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3. If it come 2, then sp. If will come 3, it will be sp2, and thereafter it will be like this up to 7. Okay, so you have to see that this trick will only work when in the case of hydrogen. Okay, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So valence electrons will also be 1. But in this case, in this trick, you have to take hydrogen as 7 valence electron. Clear guys? 7 valence electron. This trick will work in this case only. Okay, so let's come to the examples. First of all, we will take the example of S2. Clear? We have to take hydrogen 7 into 2 plus oxygen, atomic number is 8, and the valence electron will be 6. Okay, valence will be 6. So 14 plus 6, what will be this? This will be 20 electron. So you have to divide 20 valence electron to 8 to the 16. This will be the 4 remaining. This will be the quotient number of bond pair, and this will be the lone pair divided by 2. 2 will be the lone pairs. So what will be the hybridization? Bond pair plus lone pair. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then according to 4, we will see what will be the hybridization. sp3. The hybridization will be sp3. Is that clear guys? It is so simple trick. Let's take next example. BF3. BF3. We know BF3, boron, trifluoride. The atomic number of boron is 5. Then the valence electrons will be 3. Plus 3 will be there. Plus fluorine will be 9 is the atomic number, and 7 will be the valence electron. 7 into 3, so what will come? 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 electrons are there. Okay, and divide this 24 electrons to 8. 8 is a 24. So here quotient will be 3. So 3 will be bond pair and lone pair will be 0. 3 plus 0 is equal to, what will be the hybridization? sp2. Clear guys? This is the simple trick. Let me take one more example so you can understand better. So I am taking one more example of NH3. Okay, NH3, NH3. You can see here nitrogen atomic number is 7, so valence electron 5, plus you have to take hydrogen 7 into 3. How much will be there? 21. 7 3 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5 will be 26. 20, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, 26 electrons are there. You have to divide 26 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 2 remaining. 3 will be the bond pair, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 will be the lone pair. Okay, then bond pair plus lone pair is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. The hybridization will be sp3. Okay guys, this is the simplest trick, but it is very important according to the board exams and Neet exams. So keep following my page, and for new videos on the chemistry, please like and subscribe.